Whether we like it or not, we are pack animals. Sad truth. And big corporations and big institutions take advantage of this. Whether it's a government, whether it's a religious group, whether it's a big company selling you a chemical or the latest food. It's just the way it goes. And humanity just has a tendency to follow the herd. And this comes from evolution. Millions of years ago, it happened. We had to do this because if we didn't, we would have gotten devoured by some predator or some group or some invading tribe or whatever it may be. So this is ingrained in our psyche, in our way of living. Big corporations take advantage of it. Big institutions take advantage of it. The government takes advantage of it. Your friends might even take advantage of it. The sad truth. Well, be an individual. Break free from the herd. Look at what's really good for you. Don't use something because Joe Influencer uses it. Use something because you know it works well and it's the best thing for you. Don't use poison. There's no reason to use poison. Nature's provided us with everything we need. Oh my God. And the things that nature's provided has been evolved to perfection over millions and millions of years. Man cannot compete. Here at Odie's, we use just the natural, the best of the best of the best. We're not making some BS chemical concoction that is the latest science that we're promising you something new. We are doing something different than nobody else has ever done. We're using the natural ingredients in a way that nobody's ever done before. And we're using ingredients that nobody's ever even thought of using before. And we are also offering you the best of the best. Simple finishing, simple thinking, safer way of doing things. That's what you need to look for in pretty much all products. When you go to the grocery store, you want to buy the most natural food you could possibly buy. You don't want to buy man-made engineered food. Wrong path. Your body didn't evolve to eat man-made engineered food. Your body evolved eating natural, wholesome food from nature. Your body doesn't want to be exposed to engineered, nasty chemicals. But it sure can handle most of the natural stuff it comes across in the natural world. So go with the healthy choice. Go with the more versatile choice, the simple choice, the easy choice, the choice that has an infinite amount of capabilities, and live a happier, healthier life.